Hello and welcome to Simply CM's channel. Today we gotta do like a beauty video and it's apparently me. Look at my hair. I've been using this leave-in conditioner. It's really doing wonder for my hair. Okay. No, of course you gotta taste something. My wife, she got something from Bendasia. She got this one. Whatever that is. It's from abroad. Asia somewhere is my guess. So I will taste this one. Whatever it is, I'm willing to put it in my mouth and taste it. Because it's candy. So, it smells of something. And it looked like this.
No, you cannot.
Look, I cannot. Oh my god, what does it look like? I don't know what it is. Oh, what is it? Oh my god. What is this? What is this?
No.
This is what I gotta eat. Okay. Hallelujah for editing. Anyway, I hope it's something that will be delicious somehow. And I will put it all in now and I will just take it as it goes. Here we go.
Oh my God, don't show. It's actually bubbling inside. Something abnormal, Martin.
It's Coca-Cola flavor. Bubbling like crazy.
Does it hurt?
Just weird. It's the most bubbling I ever tried. I like it. It's because it's like me. It's bubbling. It's bubblicious. Very nice.
Do you think you still want to buy it again, if ever? Like, is this something you're like, oh, I'm gonna have that again?
What was the price? What was the price
I
point?
cannot remember. Maybe 6 crowns, maybe 10. I mean, all I bought is like really cheap.
Got a very strong Coke flavor. It was fine. It was like being 6 years old and having this for the first time. I cannot remember. We have tried rock candy before, but this one was just... It's still bubbling, extreme bubbly. So if you're into bubbly, bubbly, bubbly in your mouth, then buy it. For all means, buy it.
Where?
Buy it in Pandasia.com. No, it's .dk. Is it .com or is it .dk? Try both. I don't know. This video is sponsored by...
No, it's not sponsored.
By me. I sponsor. I'm the sponsor of the video. Edited this, right? You can edit it out. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. It cannot actually take... yeah, it can. Can it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Done.
I will take a picture of you. One left. Okay, ready?